Hello diamond painters, my name is Anjoli and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching me. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I know it's been a while since you guys heard from me and it's been a little crazy. As in my previous video, I told you I was moving my uncle here to PA to be with me and just so he's around family because he no longer wanted to live in a assisted living facility. So we picked him up on my birthday, August 1st. We brought him to Pennsylvania. The next day, he just couldn't really walk too well. Found out he was wheelchair bound, which was not brought to my attention before I even went to go pick him up. They told me he could take 10 steps with the walker, just have a chair behind him, and he will be fine. And when I went to go pick him up, I go to them before he got into the car. I said, I thought you guys said he can walk. Oh, these things happen. That's all they said. And it was a big fiasco picking him up. His stuff wasn't ready, even though I gave him a month notice. They tried to act like they weren't going to give me his bed and everything that he paid for with his own money, and I had to set them straight. So, you get him here. He had a hard time walking, like I said. So, he fell twice one morning. Not in a bad, violent way at all. He just slipped and, fell, but my husband couldn't get him up. My husband didn't want me to help because he didn't want me hurting my back. So we called the ambulance. We had him, pick him up, put him in the hospital. The hospital said, let's try rehabilitation. And I was like, yeah, we could do that. So he was in the hospital for about a week and a half because they had to wait for the insurance to approve things, blah, blah, blah. So, they called me, told me he was being transferred on the 11th to a rehabilitation center around 5 o'clock. And they asked me if I wanted to come in. At first I said no, but I just went to the hospital to see him. Something just told me to go see him, see how he's doing. I did that. He looked very tired and out of it. And he said, I wonder when I'm going to pass away. Well, the next day at the rehabilitation center, he did pass away. So, I'm not asking, for anyone to say sorry or anything. I just want to give you guys an update that his heart just gave up. And I just know he's in a better place. It just bothers me that uncle that I've known my whole life is gone. And his room is right across from my room in the hall. I could see into his room. And every time I go in there to start going through stuff, it bothers me. And I start crying a little bit and I have to walk out the room, which I know is a natural process. But I thought I'd let you guys know what's going on. And hopefully soon I could have more videos for diamond paintings. I'm still working on that Derek Jeter one. I haven't finished it yet. I'm still working on that one. And I hope tomorrow I can work on it because I haven't worked on it in over 2 weeks. And I feel like I'm never going to get that one done. It's like the diamond painting that never ends, like never ending story. So I'm sorry, I'm like 3.5 minutes and I haven't showed you guys anything. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I know how wonderful the diamond painting community is. And I know you guys will probably ask, what's going on, how's everything, so I just want to let you guys know. But I ordered this for my daughter. It's like a diamond painting for kids. And I'm already doing Christmas shoppings. Please don't judge me. This whole thing with the United States Postal Service and COVID with school. I thought I'll start it early because you never know what's going to happen in the future lately. I ordered it on July 20th. It shipped out July 21st. I got it on the 12th, the day he passed away. Came from AliExpress, Toys for Kari store. I guess it was all capitalized. That's why I did that. So it'd be 5 DP for kids. They're only $5, so they're $1 each. I think these are the same ones my daughter got for Christmas. She only got one of them. And it did look like something you would get at the Dollar Tree. And it was 30 cents tax, so it came to $5.29. So we're going to take a look. I thought this would be a neat idea since I haven't had any unboxings. Ooh, sorry. Jeez Louise. Okay, I'm downstairs in the basement. think these are like the other ones. Are these mosaics? I don't think these are mosaics. No, they're not. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at her. She looks like, I don't know why she reminds me of Sailor Moon. Sorry, I have a like limited space here and I want to show everything. So you have her, and I guess you can color it too, which is pretty awesome. The other one wasn't like this. Oh, look at those. Oh, look at that. So here they are. And if there anything, oh no, she don't have to color it. But the back, oh cool. So the back she can color. And then on this side she can decorate it. This is pretty cool. The other one was not like this at all. The other one is just the front like this. And you had double-sided sticky tape to stick it on. I'm wondering if these have, oh, they have little sticky on, I don't know if you can see. There's a little, like a sticky ribbon across all of these, so you have to cut them or something, which I don't mind doing for my daughter. She's 6 and she should know how to do this herself. But one of the jewels fell off right here. So it's right here on the bottom. And I'm guessing this one has 10 colors. It says 10, I'm not positive, so let's look together. I think it's only 8. That's the highest number I see here. They do have these for boys. They give you 5 random ones for girls or 5 random ones for boys. Of course, I have a daughter, so I picked the girl one. So yeah, I think this only goes up to 8. I don't even see the number 7. Weird. I see 1. Where's the 2 at? Oh my gosh, I'm blind. 1. You guys see 2? If you guys see 2, you let me know, but I don't see number 2. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't see 7. I don't see 7 either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's weird. Well, I'll figure it out one way or another. But I guess you could decorate it any way you feel. So this is different. The other ones they had a number chart. I might have to open this. I kind of don't want to open it because they are for her for Christmas, but it's diamond and painting. So we'll look at the other ones and we'll open this up to see what's the gist. So that's this one. And you have one with the butterfly. Same thing. Pretty cool. I like that it's 2-sided so they can color. I would suggest coloring first, of course, and then putting the drills down. This one has a number 7. This one goes up to number 9, but I don't see 8. Maybe they got a chart in here somewhere. Here's a little mushroom. Or this is the chart. Like 1 is green. Maybe that's what it is. 1 is green, 2 is like a purple color, 3 is orange. Maybe that's what it is. So then that one makes sense. No, it doesn't. Wait, or is that yellow? I don't know. 1 is green. 7 is red. Yeah, I think that's what it is because I have red in this one with the butterfly, but I don't have any reds in this one, which would be number 7. So that's probably what it is. We're learning together, so sorry for the long video. This is the giraffe. And it has a number 7. This one's better because you see all the colors. So 1 is green, so yes. 2 is a purplish color. And I don't see any number 2. 3 is an orange. So orangey color. 4 is a yellow. And I'm not seeing any yellow. 5 is a pinky color, which is down here. 6 is a bluish color. All right. 7 is a red. All right, I'm seeing it. 8 is silver. Yep. And I think that's all the colors. I don't see any other colors that will go in here. Yeah, I don't see any colors for 9, which is a dark blue. So yeah, that's the color chart up there. So be careful with the wrapper then, because that's part of the wrapper. There's no cardboard underneath that. And then the last one is this one. So yeah, number 2 is a purple color. So there's number 2 right there. Light pink. Number 9 is this blue then. No. 9 is what color? See, now that's strange because 9's there. And I have some 9s over here. Maybe that's pink. Maybe there really isn't a number 10. This is strange. But it's from AliExpress. So you know how that goes. But I think my daughter will enjoy it. We'll figure it out together. But I guess we'll do the colors we could kind of figure out. And the ones we don't know left over, then we'll do them. But she loved doing this. It was really small. It's a unicorn one in my past video. I showed you that she did. She loved them. So I finally found something at AliExpress, which was really hard to find. So I thought that was neat. So yeah, for anybody who has a little one that sees you doing diamond paintings and you feel it might be a little too advanced to give them a small diamond painting like a snack one, I think these would be awesome. Number 3 is an orange color, so I'm thinking it's this color. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys that I do have an order coming from the Take Wealth store, also from AliExpress. It's 3 diamond paintings, but I just want to share this with you guys. I wanted to do a video. I just want to make you guys know that I'm still here. Just, you know, going through some stuff. But yeah, the whole family's going through stuff. It's just not me. I don't want to sound selfish. That's just me. I do feel bad that other people couldn't see him and be there. I really do. I have a brother in Florida. I have a sister in Missouri. I have another one in, I think it's Oklahoma. And the other 2 are in Connecticut. My mom's in Connecticut. But I just wanted to bring them here, being POA and everything. To me, it was just better to be able to go to these places and talk to them. Instead of calling people, getting voicemails, no one calls you back. They don't take you seriously because you can't physically go there and give them a piece of your mind. It's just driving me crazy. But they are numbered also on the bottom, sorry. 2, 5. This is 8. Thinking this one's 9 if you face it upwards. And 4. I did get 5 of them, and they were random, and I was fine with that. And I think she will enjoy that for Christmas. Thank you for watching. Leave any comments. Thank you for watching me. If you do want to subscribe. I'll appreciate it. But other than that, I don't do this to have a million people subscribe to me. I don't do this for the views. I don't do this to try to have people see my videos so companies will get a hold on me to get free products. I know some people don't do that, and I don't think anyone really does that. I would like to get something for free, but the review, but I don't expect that because that's just me. I don't do that for any particular reason. I just love diamond painting. I enjoy it. It helps me to unwind and not think about stressful things. So thank you so much for watching. And there's also another channel out there. Her name is Yuri, and she was asking me if she could give me a shout out on her videos. Like I said, I just been so overwhelmed. I do have her videos saved to my watch later. I think her name is Yuri. I feel so bad. I should have wrote this down. YUREI. I feel so bad, but I'll stick it in the description box below. But other than that, thank you, and I want to thank her if she did give me a shout out. I'm still trying to watch everyone's videos because everything's been going to my watch later. Watch later. I have over 60 videos to watch, so I have a lot of catching up to do. But okay, enough with me rambling. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.